Hello and welcome everybody. TTOO stock on 28 November. Let's see that step by step. If you are new to this video, don't forget to subscribe and like. And let's start for this price prediction. According to what we want here, it's going to be referring for us is that a zero Fibonacci level here, and it's going to be about 101. So this is going to be 19, and here is going to be 461 USD. So the difference in value is going to be about 440. However, this is 1 week update. This because it's caused to be seems that the wider, the bigger candles and the number of green candles and red candles has been decreased from 1 day to 1 week. So according to what we want also, this is the price prediction that we notice during the movement of the T2 Biosystems or TTOO. Good luck.